go out there and do it.
Let's take this game from them, man. They ain't gonna give it to us. Let's go take it. It's crunch time. Big
Go,
game,
man,
man.
roll. Let's stick together. It ain't what they do, it's what we do.
Keep moving forward. Keep getting better.
Every possession counts. Every possession counts.
Let's go to the hustle game.
Let's believe in each other. Let's sacrifice. Let's embrace this moment. We got enough times like this. They said it can't be done. Let's make it happen.
Knicks on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Knicks! Come on, Knicks, let's go!
Dominate. From the jump. Hey! Hey! Let's go, baby, let's go! This is a must-win for us. We all we got on 3, 1, 2, 3. We all we got.
It's all got to be committed for 48 minutes. That's all you got to think about.
Hey, fellas, every second we out here. Defense. 1, 2, 3. Defense.
Way to close it out. Way to close it out.
Great win, man. Way to hold it down that whole court.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
It's real business now, fellas. Real business. Hey, this is what we all want. Great way to turn the heat up right there, baby. Great team win. Knicks on 3, 1, 2, 3.